So if you do find you want to change your fuel filters, what you need to do is prime the system. It's always advisable to change one filter, prime it, run the engine, and then change the next filter. So to prime it, what you need to do is down here on the main fuel filter, we have the priming pump here. Unscrew it. Then prime the system. Once you've primed it, and only once you've primed the system, start the engine. Don't try and start it before that. But before you start the engine, make sure that you have stowed the primer before you try and start the engine.